Because filtering is one of the most important things when you're looking at a price list, we've made it much more dynamic on Astro. Simply click on filters and you have many different options that you can apply. You can do a custom filter by adding any of the different filterable options, and you can add multiple ones. There are also Astro strategies. For example, you can choose the obvious choices. Hit apply. And now we've narrowed this 42,000 ASIN list to 51 ASINs. Let's take a look at the obvious choices. In the obvious choice strategy, we've removed any ASIN that has any IP issues alerts, any ASINs that are hazmat, any ASINs where Amazon is in the buy box. The FBA offers are between 1 and 7. The bought in the past month figure is above 100. We're looking at ASINs that make at least 30% ROI and have more than $2 worth of profit. There are all these different strategies that you can follow using Astro. This one here, for example, is the low sales, high ROI strategy. Again, we're removing any ASINs with IP issues alerts, any hazmat ASINs, any ASINs where Amazon is in the buy box. We're looking for products that sell more than 5 units per month, 20% ROI, and at least $4 profit. Let's clear this. If you wish to build your own strategy, simply add all the filters you wish to add. And then you can save this strategy, give it a name, and it will be part of your saved strategies. For example, let's create a simple one. Profit, more than $10, and sales estimate, more than 50 sales per month. Let's save this strategy as high sales, high profit. And now it's one of our strategies. You can sort Astro's columns by simply clicking on the header column. And you can sort this way, high to low and low to high. You can also click on the sort button on the top left, and you can select which column you wish to sort, and also sort this high to low, low to high.